All right, so it's Mari, your team captain here, and Jason guest starring with us today. We're doing a little unboxing video with some stuff from Andy Mark. So we're big fans of Andy Mark. We order from them just about all the time. We order from Andy Mark just about all the time.
Thank you for your contribution, Ethan.
Ethan's just a bit salty. So it looks like we got our power pole kit today.
Andy Mark, patron saint of deliveries.
So here we go. We got our tri-camp kit and 100 power pole connectors and pickups.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty exciting. Jason, you want to go ahead and open up the other one?
Some good clamps. All right, we got our second box here from Andy Mark.
My money's on a motor. We ordered one of those. We ordered another red line again this year after getting one in our first choice kit. Nice. Let's see what we got.
And it is a motor, a big shot.
And a gearbox. Here we go.
To be sure.
We got our red line, and we went with the 4-to-1. We're going to be using this to run our intake and our outtake. So we love the reliability of the 775s, but we figured it was just time to go up for the red lines.
We also have a bag of blood for whenever someone loses a finger.
This is our forbidden jelly.
It happens more often than you would think. I only have 7 fingers. All right, that's it for today.
That's it for today. Here's hoping we get some more stuff. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment.